Hey guys, so I have here the Nissan Versa, and in this video I want to show you how to replace the light bulb for the turn signal as well as the position light. So both of them share the same light bulb. So the first thing we have to do is open up the hood, and we find this little lever here that we have to pull right next to the driver door. So next we're going to switch to the front of the vehicle, and you see here where I have my hand in this little gap that opened up now. And that's where we can feel up a little lever that we have to pull in order to lift up the hood. And then here on the left far end we see here this little metal pole here that we can pull out of this bracket, and that goes into a hole that has a small arrow pointing to it, and so that's how we keep the hood up. So right now we're looking at the turning signal on the driver's side, and when we look behind here in the engine compartment, then we don't really find immediately a spot where the light bulb may be screwed into. So we're going to take a look here in this little cavity to the left, and that's where we can find the connector to the light bulb for the blinker and the position light. So you see here where the arrow points to. Now unfortunately when I put my hand in there, there's not enough space for you to see anything with the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this connector here counterclockwise, just like a quarter turn, and then we can pull out the entire plug including the light bulb. Now for the 2021 model year, the bulb number is 7442NA. In case you have an older vehicle, I believe the model number is 3457A. So now the replacement bulb we just push right into the socket here after we pulled out the old one, and now we can already reinstall everything. So just push the light bulb back through this little hole here on the side, and don't forget to now rotate the socket here clockwise, so pretty much that the wires are pointing towards the back of the vehicle. Make sure that everything sits tight and doesn't fall out again. And in case you want to do the same thing here for the passenger side, then let me show you. This works in exactly the same way. So you see this here, the connector for the light bulb on this side, on the passenger side. And at this point we are pretty much done. Now we can close the hood again. So we just hold the hood with the one hand, and with the other one we put here this pole back into its position. Make sure that it's really nice and tight in there, doesn't flop around, and then just let the hood drop from about a foot high so that it can lock into position and it's safe and won't open up again. Okay, so this was the replacement of the turn signal and position light bulb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.